I've tried numerous robot vacuum cleaners in recent years. Some come with some new features. Some claim they have some new features, but turns out to be just another normal vacuum that you probably want to use for a second time, because they screw your house entirely like my friend Sammy's. So when Lydsto reached out to me to see if I'm willing to try the newest R1 robot vacuum, which they claim is a robot vacuum that sports self-emptying, self-mopping, self-obstacle crossing, and a bunch more cool features, I said, why not? First things first, let's check out what's inside the box. The Lydsto R1 comes with a dust collection charging unit. The box is the biggest I've ever seen. Open the box, you get to see a clean life and instructions with a quick start guide. The Lydsto R1 vacuum cleaner, 3 disposable mop cloths, I like that. 7 disposable dust bags, the dust collection charging unit, and a mop cloth support with a mop on it. That's all. Why not take a closer look at the design? On top we get to see the LiDAR sensor, a home button and a power button. There are infrared sensor, anti-collision bumper and air vents in the middle. That's quite standard for a vacuum cleaner. What's special about the Lydsto R1 is the removable container, which is a combination of a 250 ml capacity water tank and a 200 ml capacity dust container, because normally the water tank and dust container are separated. On the top of the tank, in addition to the opening that serves to refill the water, there is also a HEPA filter that filters the exhaust air and is removable and can be replaced as needed. Moving to the bottom, we get to see a side brush, an omnidirectional wheel, 2 main wheels, a main brush. It's detachable by the way, and of course a bunch of cliff sensors. Overall, the Lydsto R1 feels solid and premium. It looks minimalistic and has a good finish to it. As for the dust collection charging unit, on the front we see the suction inlet, 2 charging and dust collection sensor head. The back has a slot that lets you store your cable neatly. Open the up cover to install or remove the dust bag. Now let's test that thing in real life. Connecting the Lydsto R1 is really not a difficult thing. Just follow the instructions on the app and you will get there easily. For what's in the app, we'll take a closer look later. Let's test the cleaning ability first, as this is what you might care about most. To test the cleaning ability first, we sprinkle some rice, beans, pepper scraps, ground corn, and peanuts on a low pile carpet. That's a really large pile of mixed dirt. As we can see, in its first round, it picked up, I would say, 95% of test materials. Only a few paper scraps left there. That's unbelievable considering the amount of dirt put there. And you have to know, most vacuum cleaners are struggling with paper scraps as well. Once you set to the highest suction power, then you will have an even better performance. I also tried hair, a large pile of hair there. I mean, in case your pet is a lion, I tested it for you. It did an outstanding job. I also tested corner cleaning ability. It did a fairly good job too. Not picked it all up, but what other vacuums can do that? Since it has an auto dust connection feature, how can I miss that? The Lydsto R1 robot is equipped with a docking station that not only charges the unit but also self-empties it. As you can see, the dust bins almost full of dirt are just connected. Once the cleaner gets to the docking, then it starts sucking the dirt by itself. And the result is awesome, just with a really few left there. I forgot to say it's even better than myself cleaning the dust bin. The only downside is it makes a loud noise when self-emptying. Where for normal cleaning is all good. So it has a good performance on the carpet. It wouldn't be a problem for the Lydsto to clean up on the hard floors. In fact, I even tested its mopping function for coffee and soda stands. All good. One thing I really like about the Lydsto R1 is it comes with 30 disposable mop cloths and 1 washable cloth. If you are too lazy to wash the reusable mop, then you can choose the disposable one. I also tried cheese. It will not spread that around and mess up your house. Excellent. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the cleaning performance that the Lydsto R1 offers. Despite all of my generalized feeling, I do have one specific favorite thing about the Lydsto R1, its app. The Lydsto app offers a variety of useful functions and settings. On the home page, you can select a room, spot or area to clean. In the settings, you can schedule a cleaning time. Even more, you can remote control it like a fun toy. You can choose different languages for your voice reminding. Others like D&D mode, water booster mode, and dust ambient frequency. The app has a wall. Also on the homepage, you will find the map editing tool. This will allow you to set up prohibited zones or divide or merge rooms and rename each room if you wish. You can also adjust the suction power and water volume if the mob is attached under the mode setting. Overall, I find the app to be very straightforward and easily navigable. Now about my conclusion with the Lydsto R1. Despite the fact that Lydsto is a largely undiscovered brand, I had a great experience with the Lydsto R1 vacuum cleaner. It has a solid cleaning performance and self-empty the dirt, so you don't need to go through all the hassle. I appreciate how quiet it is when used compared to traditional vacuum methods. The smart app is a big bonus. You can customize everything here and select each room and let it do its thing. And last is the cost-friendly price. Priced at $399 on Amazon. With my exclusive coupon code, you can even have an extra 10% off. What else can you expect from such a budget vacuum? Once again, the Lydsto R1 is yet another awesome vacuum cleaner that proves you don't need to blow your budget to purchase a solid one. I'd highly recommend it if you are looking for a quality, easy-to-use robot vacuum to streamline your daily routine. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.